Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to deactivate Instagram temporarily in your phone, in your mobile. So the first step is go to the principal application, official application of Instagram, and after that you need to go to the down part in the option in the down right corner. You need to put here in the option of your profile. And after that, you need to go to the superior part of the app in the superior right corner in the bottom of these three lines. You pick here. And after that, you need to go to the first option, Account Center. You pick in Account Center, and after that, you need to go to the part of Account Settings and pick here in Personal Details. So in Personal Details, you need to go to the option of Account and Ownership and Control. And after that, you need to put here in the option of deactivated or deletion of the account. You need to choose the account you want to delete. For example, this, and the only thing you need to do is pick here in the deactivate account. You pick in continue. You confirm you want to deactivate this account, and that's it. You deactivated your account temporarily. If you want to activate it again, the only thing you need to do is put your information of this account and log in again. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.